If you have the Cornerstone Bank app, you have easy, anytime access to your credit report through the convenience of our credit score tool. Your first step is to enroll. Log into your Cornerstone app and click the menu in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Select Credit Score. Review the features this valuable service offers and click Get Started. Review and accept the terms of service. Once you click Continue, you are enrolled and will receive an email confirmation of your enrollment. Return to Credit Score to see your current rating and explore key features of the service. Select Analysis to view details of your credit rating and the factors that drive it. Select Report for an instant snapshot of your credit report. You also have options to download the full report and to start a dispute if you find any inaccuracies. Use the simulator to see how certain actions, such as applying for a new loan, could affect your credit score, and generate personalized recommendations for improving your score with the Goals feature. You can also check special offers, see new alerts, and find information and answers through an array of helpful resources.